Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to share files using AirDrop on macOS 27. So first of all, let's open Finder and find something to share. Right-click the element, select Share. Then in the options, you have to select AirDrop. After that, you have to make sure that your other Apple device is available. Enable AirDrop on it by swiping down the control center, going to AirDrop and switching its status to everyone for 5 minutes or contacts only if the iPhone is your contact. And after that, you have to select your iPhone right here on the MacBook, confirm the connection, and enter the code you see on your smartphone screen on your MacBook. And then wait until your iPhone receives whatever you wanted to send to it. And here we have it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.